Are you all right?
Chris, I'm leaving.
What?
Did you hear what I said? I have my things together. I'm taking my son. And we're going to leave. I'm going to put the phone down.
Wait a minute. Hold
We
on.
are leaving.
It was right then that I started thinking about Thomas Jefferson and the Declaration of Independence and the part about our right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Little Indian.
And I remember thinking,
You do it, Daddy.
to put the pursuit part in there. That maybe happiness is
What are you
something
doing,
that we
Braden?
can only pursue. And maybe we can actually never have it. No matter what. How did he know that?
You're crazy. You're crazy.
Linda.
Katie.
Linda.
He wants to do it some more.